Hi, Randy and Bridget and everyone with Randy's Lawn Care. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you. I'm sure you guys are busy, so I will try and keep it quick. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying places like Home Advisor and Angie's List and places like that. So if you have a website of your own, you can actually generate leads using that. Obviously, you understand the importance of being online because you do have a Facebook page. Looks like you guys don't have a website, but you do have a Facebook page, so you understand. I'm not sure if this Facebook page is bringing you revenue or not. Hopefully it is. If not, I'm going to give you some free advice here that you can use to go on your way when you do decide to build your own website or have one built for you and try and grow your company. So 3 things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. So first thing is content. When you do decide to build your website, you're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words minimum on any page that you're trying to rank. So it's not best just to put a lawn care page and then have a picture of lawn care. Okay, you're going to want to have 1,500 words with that page, and as well as in those photos that you do decide to upload, you're going to want to make sure that you save those photos as buyer intent keywords. A really nice website that I like is Tender Lawn Care. I just wanted to show you this for an example. They're a company in the area. They have a pretty basic website, and believe it or not, it's really not that much to make, and or you can just do it yourself. They have different sources out there that you can build your own website: WordPress, Wix, GoDaddy. Either way, it's best to have a website not just built but actually working for you as opposed to just being there. So I just wanted to show you this one as a quick example of what a nice clean-cut lawn care website looks like. So content, 1,500 words, and then all your photos, make sure you save those photos properly. A lot of times when you upload a photo, the computer generates a name for it by itself. Like it'll say like image file with some numbers and letters, or it'll say picture file. You want to delete that and save it as a buyer intent keyword. Okay, next are citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Instagram, Twitter. Those are all directories that if your business name, address, and phone number is listed in, is going to give you a citation. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So I typed in Northview, Michigan landscape companies. We got Grand Rapids Lawn Care, West Michigan Landscape, Whispering Pines. Okay, you guys aren't here. This is where you want to be. This is where the majority of the volume is going to come. And then again, if you're not here, at least you can be here in the organic. So like as you can see, Summit Landscape Incorporated, they're not in the map pack. Maybe they're not local. Maybe they're not in Northview, but they are showing up organically, Summit Landscape. So this has to do with the content in their website and their backlinks. And so this is what a website can bring you is revenue from areas that you may not be listed in organically. And so that has to do with citations. I also typed in Grand Rapids Lawn Care, and we got Tender, Lawn Starter, and East Grand Rapids Lawn Service. I didn't see you guys here. Really, this is where you want to be. And then if not, you at least want to be down here in the organic. And that's where a website's going to really bring you a lot of value. So next, I have your guys' Google My Business page pulled up. Congratulations on having one. So obviously you do understand the importance, and hopefully that this is bringing you money. I'm hoping this is bringing you money. Either way, a couple things you can tweak on here. Once you do decide to get a website, I would highly suggest adding it down here in the appointment section. Google My Business doesn't have a actual spot for a website, but in the appointments you can put your website, and that'll help drive traffic to it as well. Also, your reviews. So you guys got 16 reviews. With a 4.1, not too shabby. Keep up the good work. We recommend 25, and then obviously once you get to 25, you're just going to keep pushing. So minimum 25. The next thing I see, the last thing, is these photos. So these photos actually look like they're just drive-by photos. Maybe it's of your house, not sure. But what you're going to want to do when you get a chance is go in and add 10 photos of maybe nice work you've done, maybe your equipment, maybe your truck. You're going to want to add 10 photos to this Google My Business page, and then you're going to want to make sure to save all those photos properly with buyer intent keywords, and that's going to help you rank your Google My Business page in these various areas. And I can see here you do have some Angie's List reviews, so not sure how Angie's List is working out for you. I know that a lot of times Angie's List gives you and 3 or 4 other companies the same leads that you're paying for. So that's the advantage to having your own website and bringing it in through search engine optimization, is that they're exclusive to your business and to you. And then the last thing, so I'm using Tender Care Lawn as an example, is backlinks. So once you get a website, you're going to get your own URL. So theirs is mytenderlawncare.com. Maybe yours is randyslawncare.com. Whatever it happens to be, you're going to get backlinks from anywhere that your URL is at. And so these guys have 173 backlinks from 39 referring domains. The thing you want to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so their domain rating is actually only a 10, and that's out of 100. So really, it wouldn't be that hard to beat these guys, believe it or not. I mean, you might think, oh, they're number one, and they must be the best because of years of this and that and this and that. No, they're just paying search engine optimization, and they have search engine optimization implemented into their website, and that's what's bringing them these leads. But either way, you want to make sure that you get your backlinks from relevant sites and sites that are not spammy. So you don't want your backlinks coming from spammy sites, and you don't want your backlinks coming from sites that aren't relevant to the trade. Other than that, like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. Do your homework. Once you do, this is a tool we use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. It gives a lot of information on your website, including backlinks. So I hope that this information finds you well. I hope that you are staying safe out there. I hope that you find the time to get yourself a website when you do decide to expand, and to implement these strategies so that you can actually have a website that brings you value as opposed to just looking pretty on the internet. Any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope your 2021 is good, and I hope that your spring and summer season is a good one. So thank you very much for watching.